Hello, I would like to go over the central tendencies of mean, median, and mode. The very first one is mean. Mean is where you add up all the numbers and then divide by the amount of numbers you have in your data set. So an example is 4, 6, 7, 1, and 2. And notice there's 5 numbers in your data set, so you want to keep that in mind. So you add 4 plus 6 plus 7 plus 1 plus 2, and you get 20. And then you want to divide it by the amount of numbers you have in your data set, which is 5. So you do 20 divided by 5, and you'll get 4. And that's how you find the mean. The next one I like to share is the median. Mean is the middle value of the list of numbers you have in your data set. First, I like to show you the odd, if you have an odd amount of numbers in your data set. And the one I want to show you is there's 7. So the numbers is 7, 8, 10, 2, 3, 4, and 11. So you want to put all these in order. So you get 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 10, and 11. And there's a shortcut to it. You want to find the position of it. And if you have an odd amount of numbers, which we do in this data set, which is 7, so you want to do n plus 1 divided by 2. So replacing it with a 7, you do 7 plus 1 divided by 2, which equals 4. So you count to all the way to 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you find your median, which is 7. But then it's different if you have an even amount of numbers, because the even, you'll just do n divided by 2. And I'll show you an example of that. So if the median is even, there's an example. So example is you have 6 numbers in your data set. So you have 2, 5, 6, 8, 7, and 1. So you want to put these in order also. So you put 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And to do the position thing, you want to do 6 divided by 2, which equals 3. But if you count to 3, you still aren't in the very middle. So you have to go over another one, and you have to add both of these together. So you want to do 5 plus 6, which equals 11, divided by 2, and that will give you 5.5. And that's how you will find the median for even numbers. And the very last one I'd like to share is the mode. The mode is a value that occurs most often. And if you don't have a repeated number, then you have no mode. So an example here is 10, 15, 25, 25, and 50, and 5. So the one that occurs the most is 25. And that's how you find your mode. And that's the central tendencies of mean, median, and mode.